Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a tip to find out distinct value in Microsoft Excel. For example, let us say I have a list of fruit names here and I want to find out the distinct fruit in this list. So instead of this, you can have numbers, list, text, any other thing, right? So, and if you want to find out a distinct value from the list, this is that video. Generally, we talk about distinct and unique interchangeably, but there is difference between that. So I'll just show you what's the difference. This is a unique value of this list and this is a distinct. So what is the difference between unique and distinct? So the distinct value is the number of items or items in the list that appears at least once. So here you can see apple also because it appears at least once in this list. And unique is a list of an item that appears only once. So you cannot find apple in this list, right? So this is a quick little difference between unique and distinct. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out distinct value. So there are two methods. The first method is very simple. You first select the list from which you want to find out distinct value. Then go to data tab, click on advanced, and here click copy to another location and select range of list from which you want to find out unique items. You can keep the category range as blank and you can select the location where you want to get a distinct items. Here you just have to put or select the one cell that is a topmost cell from which Excel will start listing out a distinct value. And the main thing in this is you want to check the box against unique records only. So here it says unique records, but it will give you the distinct value. Then click OK and boom, you get distinct value. So this is a method one. Now if you are using Microsoft Office 365, right, or Office 2021 and above, you will have a unique function in your Excel. So you just have to type equal to unique and then give the range of cells from which you want to find out unique values and then press enter. Boom, you get distinct values. That's all in this video. If you want to see more such videos on tips and tricks in Excel, Word and PowerPoint, then please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you feel that this video was useful, then please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more such videos, then please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you friends. See you in next video.